Hello all, welcome to We Do Excel and I am Akanksha again with some keyboard shortcuts. So let me tell you, these are very basic and I understand almost all must be knowing these shortcuts, but if you don't know any of them, do watch the video till end because these are the shortcuts which you must know if you are doing even a 5 minutes work in Excel because the shortcut will shorten your work. The first one is Ctrl T. So Ctrl T, as I have shown you in one of my last videos about tables. So Ctrl T is a shortcut to make tables. Let's see. This is my data, raw data, and I have to do many analysis on it. So just I will use Ctrl T and voila, here is my table. Now you can do multiple of things here and tables give you many facilities to go around. Now keeping the video short, I'll go to another shortcut, Ctrl D. So what Ctrl D? It basically fill down the above cell values. So for example, I'll go here again. So I'm here, I'll do Ctrl D and see. So for example, if you are creating a data and writing name or something like that or year, so you can just use Ctrl D and it will fill down the above value. You don't have to do Ctrl C, Ctrl V or drag with using mouse. Now the next one is Ctrl 1. It's a shortcut to do multiple formatting things. So for example, I have my name here, let's say, and I have to format. I will do Ctrl 1 and here the format cell dialog box gets open and you can do whatever you want to do. So always use the shortcut instead of right click. Now the other one is Ctrl Shift L. So it's a good one. We oftenly use filters in our data and it's really tiresome to go again and again in the filter tab. Ctrl Shift L and here you can see you have filters here. Now I'll do Ctrl Shift L and the filters will be off. So this give you facility to off and on the filters. Now the last one is Ctrl Alt V. So what Ctrl Alt V does, well, I will copy this cell value which have Akanksha, Ctrl C, and I will do Ctrl Alt V, Ctrl Alt V. So it will give me the paste special dialog box. So it's very useful because there are number of times you don't want to copy the formula, just want to copy the values most of time, and you can use the several other options also. So Ctrl Alt V comes very handy. So this is it and I hope this video was very useful to you. These are very basic 5 shortcuts and I believe you must be knowing it, but if any one of them you are not using it, please start using it. Thank you for the time. Take care. Bye.